So now let's see how we can copy and paste out styles inside of Prezi Design as well. So to do that, on the left side on the shape area, you can go around and insert out a shape as per your wish. Then you can go around over here and choose the color as you want as well. And then let's say you want to change around the border. So I'm just going to go around and change these things out right here according to how I like it. I'm going to change this into dot, and then you can go around, choose the shape type as you wish, and so forth, as you can see. So certain style is applied onto this particular shape. And if I were to bring in another shape right here, let's say for example, if I were to go around and bring in this shape right here, the call out circle shape right here, let me click on insert. Then what happens is it is inserted right over here, as you can see. So if I were to resize this, then this is what I have. I got this shape right here. So now if I want to copy out this style and paste it over here, I can go around over here, right click, and I can copy the style only. The shortcut key for this is Shift Control C. So I can go around onto this particular shape, right click, and if I were to go around and paste the style, you can see that the exact fill color, the line style, and the border is applied onto this shape right here. And that is how you can easily copy and paste out styles as well. So you can go around right here. So let me just go around onto the cloud icon right here. And I'm going to copy out the style right here and then paste this. And then what happens is that it pastes out the exact style and you got the exact look as you wish. So this is very good to maintain out consistency inside of your designs. And that is how you can copy and paste out styles inside of Prezi Design. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.